Welcome back to Inspect Motors, and here is Aprilia SR 150, and today we'll be replacing the throttle cable of the scooter. Replacement interval for throttle cable as per Aprilia SR 150 service manual is once in 2 years or 24,000 kilometers. Firstly, to access the throttle cable, the visor and the headlamp shield has to be removed. With these two fairings off the scooter, an access to carburetor is required where the throttle cable runs. This is where the throttle cable runs into the carburetor. The clamp is now off. And here the throttle cable comes off. This is the cable for choke. Cable from the carburetor end is now off. It has to be now free from throttle cable end. And before pulling out the cable, this set which connects the carburetor end has to be removed. The cable can now be pulled off. And here is the new one which will go onto the scooter. Cable can be now connected onto the carburetor guide. And there is an O-ring here, and then comes the spring. And then comes this. And then the front end goes in onto the throttle control. This goes to the carburetor. Once the cable is fixed from both the ends, free play of the throttle can be adjusted. If the free play is more at the throttle control, it can be adjusted at the carburetor guide. Adjusting the free play is very important for an optimal throttle response and trouble-free function. Free play can be adjusted anywhere between 2 to 4 millimeters. So that is all with the replacement of the throttle cable, and thanks for watching.